Welcome everyone, Nick and Tim with Hennepin Marine. In our business, new and used boat sales is a lot of our business. However, our service department is our backbone of our business. And here at Hennepin Marine, we have a lot of great things that we can offer to you through our service department. Tim, our service manager,
hi folks,
is going to dive in. We're going to do a Q&A video of a lot of common questions that we get into our service department. This way, you know what to expect and how we can help you best. First off, Tim, we have a lot of different brands of motors out there, whether it's outboard, stern drive, trolling motor, you name it. What do we work on?
Primarily we work on Mercury Marine products. We have 4 certified techs in both outboard and stern drive. So we can handle just about any repair in either of those circles. We work on products from 1995 and newer. We also can repair Minn Kota trolling motors. We do dabble a little bit in motor guide, but we don't have a lot of reference there, so it's a little very minuscule.
Correct. There's other brands out there that we don't sell. Correct. That we have a little bit of offering. Yamaha, Suzuki, Evinrude Johnson. What can we offer there for our customers?
Yeah, for Yamaha, Suzuki, Evinrude Johnson, we can offer some basic service. We can change water pumps, spark plugs, fuel filters. We can change oil and gear lube on them. No runnability issues is what we do with those products, but we can do your basic maintenance for you.
Correct. And the nice thing is we can winterize those products for the customers that don't want to have to travel further away.
100%, 100%.
Next off, timing. Our store, along with boating, is a seasonal business. Our store stays open every week of the year. We're closed during Christmas and New Year's.
Correct.
But we have busy times and we have times that are a little easier to get in. Let's talk about when the best time is if you have a larger job versus a smaller job.
So the hardest time to get into the year is honestly spring. Everybody's getting their boats out. Everybody wants to get to the water. It's the hardest time of the year to get in. We do our best. Our guys work overtime to get everybody through in that time frame. Once spring passes and then we hit into summer, our workload stabilizes. So we're able to get people through in a quicker manner. We once again hit winterize and that shoots right back up and we're super busy again. And that runs us right to about Thanksgiving. Once we get to Thanksgiving, we have a winter season where we do have some open time, especially with our really mild winters here in the last 3 or 4 years. It's a great time to get in for big projects, big custom electronics jobs, flooring jobs, anything like that. Or just if you've gone through the season, if you've noticed 2 or 3 things not working on your boat, it's great to bring it in that time of year. We can get you in and out pretty quick. We can get you to do sit and wait appointments at that time.
Correct.
We can get you in and out faster.
And something that we've started doing a little bit more on some of the older boats that are starting to have transom issues, that's a great time of year to take advantage of those transom jobs as well.
Yeah, 100%. If you see corrosion bubbles on the back of your boat, or if you notice your engine's moving pretty freely back there, it's a pretty good indication we need to take a look at it and see if you've got a transom that's going mad.
Correct.
And that's something we can fix for you in the winter for sure. We've also been doing our own painting, so we've been doing our painting on the back of them as well, which has saved a lot of time in that process.
And getting that boat back to the customer.
Correct.
Well, motor, we talked a little bit about big jobs, but there's a lot more to a boat. Let's move forward from that motor. What can we do on that for customers?
Well, when it comes to the boat, we can fix just about anything from steering to accessories, electronics not working, trolling motors, batteries. We can do just about anything in here. We can refloor, a lot of different things. The one thing we really can't do in our store personally is major body repairs. If you hit a dock and tear down the side, but we do have sublets that can do that for us as well. We also can do the trailers. Basically anything on here, lights, bearings, anything you got a fender that's broken on it. We can pretty much take care of anything on the trailer for you as well.
Tongue jacks, winch straps.
Yeah, 100%.
And we offer summarized services where we kind of go through and check everything out through the boat.
Yeah, with a summarize, what we do is a lot like what we do on a used boat when it comes in. We start at the front of the boat and work our way to the back and take a look at everything and make sure everything's functioning correctly, doing what it's supposed to. We take it down to the water, make sure the engine's running correctly, trolling motors, everything's doing what it's supposed to.
So what you're telling me is 99% of the jobs we can help a customer with.
Yeah,
well,
100%.
Next question is, why would we choose Hennepin Marine?
Well, the nice thing about us is we're kind of a one-stop shop for everything. You know, if you have a trailer issue and you've got a motor that's not running correctly, you can bring it in, we can handle both items at the same time. Hey, we also do a lot of custom rigging as well.
Yes, we do.
So if you have a dream of putting 5 depth finders on your boat, or if you have a dream of putting 1 on, we can arrange and get everything set to work correctly, have enough power to run everything. We do a lot of rigging in the shop that's really top-notch.
One thing that we get quite a bit of questions on, more so up in the front probably than service, is I have electronics, or can I buy electronics somewhere else? There's some pros and cons to that. Number one, our prices for 99% of the time match our competition. All the electronics are virtually MAP priced, so it means you buy them the same price no matter where you buy them from, and unless it is a non-current unit. But Tim, on the service side, there is definitely some advantages of purchasing electronics from us versus other sources.
Yeah, 100%. If you come in and you say, you want this unit put on your dash, we know every other little piece that you're going to need to get it done. You may have the unit and bring it in, but then we got to order some other parts, and that pushes us back. It's also a little easier to deal with on the warranty side. I think you deal with most of that if they're purchased in store.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yeah, the big thing is if you purchase from us, there's a lot we can work with our vendors on, because every serial number tells where that unit was purchased, where it came from. We can a lot of times work with our vendors versus having to send you back to where you purchased it from. Also, in the rare case you open the box and there's a part missing, we do a lot of business with multiple vendors, and we also have a vast network to get products in a quick manner. Is we can take care of that missing part. We don't have to give you a call and say, unfortunately, you're missing a transducer, you're missing a power cord, somebody got into your box before it got into your hands, and we're missing parts. So that a lot of times will slow us down, and if you're trying to get out in the water for the weekend and we're missing parts, sometimes we just can't make that deadline for you. And that helps us on both sides.
And like you said, the big thing is we can pretty much get close to anybody's pricing, because the pricings are at a set price from the manufacturers. Correct. The only time that doesn't happen is maybe if you got a 2 or 3 year old non-current unit.
And a lot of times there's compatibility issues with new units if we go down that road. So just something to think about. We have a great selection of Humminbird, Lowrance, and Garmin units in stock, along with Minn Kota, Garmin, and Lowrance trolling motors. And with electronics, a lot of guys are asking for the new live sonar, whether it's Mega Live 2, Garmin Panoptics, Lowrance Active Target. We have a lot of experience with that as well.
Yeah, we can do all 3 of them. We have quite a bit of experience in all of them, mounting them to trolling motors, mounting them to poles, mounting them on the back of the boat. We've pretty much done all that there.
And through our learning and experience, we found a lot of little things that if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you might overlook, but it can make a big difference on the picture you get on your screen.
Definitely, you got to provide it enough power. Picture is always better when you have more voltage going to it. The other little things that people don't think about when they're rigging it themselves is the wire to that transducer. So if you don't get that in a good spot and it ends up getting cut, they're out quite a bit of money there.
Correct. Lastly, our service department, we are a pretty well-known service department in the Illinois Valley area, and we have a prestigious award that we have won. It's Mercury CSI Service Award. What are we at, 19 years on that?
We just hit 20, Nick.
Hit 20.
We're the only dealer in Illinois that has won it 20 years in a row. That's every year that the award has been given. We're one of, I think, 14 in the country that have done that.
Yes, it's a very low number. We're the only one in the state of Illinois, and one of under 15 in the United States that have won that award. So our technicians go to school, do training every year to keep up to date on this stuff. And what that is, that CSI Service Award is surveys that go out to our customers that grade us on how we did on their boat repair. It's the voice of our customers, and it's a very, very high number. We have to hit, I believe it's 95 or 96%.
96%.
96% to maintain that award, and there's a certain number of surveys that we have to get back. So congratulations to you and all your staff in the service department, because that is a wonderful bragging rights for our store. Lastly, we got some large jobs. We talked a little bit about transom stuff, but we got all kinds of cool custom stuff we can do.
Yeah.
When's a good time for that?
Wintertime's always a good time for big projects. We've done a couple this winter where we had a log that was torn up on the bottom of a pontoon with a stern drive. We literally had to take the log off. We had it repaired, engine out, engine back in. It was a huge project. It took us a couple of weeks. We've done lighting jobs with interior and exterior lighting on different styles of boat. We've done it on the duck boats. We've done it on pontoons. We've done it in Lunds as well. So that's a really neat feature if you do any night fishing or anything like that, or you're just out at night having a ride. makes the whole boat glow.
That pontoon that we just got finished with,
Yeah.
putting blue LED lights inside and out, that's pretty trick.
It looked pretty good.
Yes.
We're pretty happy with how that came out.
So anyhow, we're going to wrap this up. If you have any future questions regarding what we can and cannot do, or if you want to set up a time to get your boat in, want to talk to our service department in more detail, we're always...
One more thing, Nick. Hey, we started shrink wrapping this year.
We did, yes.
Yeah, so you get to the end of the year, and if you don't have storage for your boat, or you just want to put a more protective cover over it, we also are offering shrink wrap in the fall.
Correct. Yeah, we have a limited number of indoor storage spots. Unfortunately, some customers have found that we do sell out every year. So those that have those spots, it's definitely hang on to them because they are in a very limited quantity. But for the customers that we can't get indoors, we offer shrink wrapping.
And they can stay on our property. They'll be outside, but they can stay on our property.
Yes.
So that's another thing we've started this year that we're offering in the shop.
Yep. Absolutely. Well, if you as a customer have any questions, you can reach out to us one of three ways. You can call or text us at 815-925-7216. We'll put a little blurb right down below us in this video. Or you can email us, service@hennepinmarine.com. You're also welcome to stop in and see us at the far right-hand corner of our Lund showroom down the steps. Joe and Tim are here just about every day of the year. We'll be happy to answer your questions in person. And we look forward to taking care of you and your boat's needs in the future.
Thanks, folks. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.